When getting ready to your departure back to LAX, you'll return the vehicle either on 98th Street if it's before 10 p.m. or through the alley if it's after 10 p.m. If at any point during your trip you have an issue at the gate, make sure to hit the intercom button. This will connect you to a member of the Park My Share team and will be able to help you either enter or exit the facility. Once you return the vehicle to your host's designated area, in order to find this designated area, make sure to check your host messages and look for instructions that your host left you for the vehicle return. Once you park that vehicle, you'll head to the elevators and head down to the lobby where you will exit. You'll exit the Park My Share lobby the same way you came in, and you can follow the Park My Share signs on the floor as well as the walls to get back to the Park My Share shuttle stop, where the parking spot sentry will pick you up and take you to LAX. Continue making your way to the shuttle stop. Once arrived at the shuttle stop, wait for the parking spot. They'll be picking folks up in increments of 5 to 10 minutes. It shouldn't be a long wait. Once you're on the shuttle, you'll be headed back to LAX and onto your trip.